coming out tonight. Drop your head, girl, light it up tonight. Lay your head on my pillow. Oh, lay your head on my pillow. They're calling you users.
Bruh.
What the hell? What the hell?
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly head out.
Oh, we're at knots with it. Okay.
There's so many cameras. Which one do I look at?
Right here, look right here, look right here. Do we look like? Comment down below.
Bruh.
Comment down below.
Boy, if you...
No, 2020 vision, girls. We twin. Never mind, guys. We at Pony Express with it. How you guys feel?
I'm feeling great. I mean, first couple rides.
On bumper cars. Oh, I feel good. How you guys feel?
My stomach hurts. Everybody's been asking. I'm hungry. The question is, how do you feel?
Am I ready? Hell yeah.
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Yeah, guess who's driving?
Boy, if you...
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, guys, feel just me feel. Nita.
Meanwhile.
Got some people who
Huh?
got some people who are idle, man. The people go on a mission, go find a tahini.
I'm gonna miss your cousins, bruh.
Huh?
Be cool. Hey, one last rap bar for this.
Hey, alright.
You finna leave? Hey.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
You finna leave? Snatch your girl weave?
Can I get one last chocolate, eh? Alright, what do you gotta say? Bro?
Let me see. What you say? Life goes on no matter what. Just keep living, cuz.
What's your advice?
Life is like up and down. So when you're feeling down, the only way you can go is up.
The louder the cry, the louder the lie.
Okay. Like my YouTube outro, bro. Hey, let me say, hey, bro. Hey, stay you, stay goated, and stay strong, bro.
Don't text one girl 5 messages. Text 5 girls 1 message.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I did.